Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we built our double_result decorator and applied it manually. That manual assignment is how decorators fundamentally work, but Python provides a cleaner, more readable way to apply them using the @ or @ syntax. 1. Reviewing the manual decoration. Recall that manually applying the decorator requires us to overwrite the original function reference. This is valid Python, but it requires an extra line of code and is less intuitive to read. 2. The @decorator syntax. The @ syntax is a piece of syntactic sugar. Placing followed by the decorator's name, double_result, directly above the DEF line is exactly equivalent to the manual assignment. The function add is automatically passed to the double_result function, and the returned wrapper function replaces add. 3. Testing the decorated function. When we call add with 3 and 2, it is no longer the original add function. It is the wrapper returned by double_result. This wrapper calls the original add, gets 5, multiplies it by 2, and returns 10. The @ syntax makes the code extremely clear about what decorator is being applied. To summarize, the @ syntax is the standard and most Pythonic way to apply decorators. It is concise and visually shows the function's extra behavior. Okay, our next lecture 13.11. Decorating strings. See you there.